Hello guys, welcome back to Short Tips. In this video I'm going to talk about how to fix FPS dropping while trying to play game on your Windows 10 and how to fix this up. So let's get started. So first thing what you have to do is you just have to search here Registry Editor. You have to search this and you have to open this and go for yes. And now from here you have to follow the instructions. So first thing what you have to do is you just have to click on H key current user. Then from here you have to click on system. You have to click on system. And from here you have to click on game config. You have to select on game config, and from here you have to search game DVR enable. Game DVR enable, you have to select this and go for modify. And as you can see that the value data is 1, so you have to change the value data into 0. You have to change the value data into 0 and go for OK. Once after that, trying with this, you just have to go for restart, so that the respective changes will be taking place in between and you will be able to fix the issue up. If the first method is not working, you don't have to worry. From the registry editor itself, you have to follow the next instruction. You have to select H key local machine. You have to H key local machine, and from here you have to click on software. You have to click on software and expand it. And now from here you have to go for Microsoft. Now you have to go for Microsoft. You have to click on this, and now from here you have to go to policy manager. So you just have to scroll down and go for P. It is based on alphabet, so you just have to scroll to P. From the P you have to select policy manager, and from here there is an option default. You have to select this, maximize this, and you have to now scroll down a little bit and go to application management. Now as you can see that here it is application management, so you have to select this. Now from here you have to click on allow game DVR. You have to click on allow game DVR. And now from here on the value icon over here, you just have to select this and go for modify. And as you can see there, by default the value is data is 1, so you have to change this to 0, go for OK. And once after that, go for restart also, and most probably the issue regarding FPS drop when you're trying to play any game will be completely fixed. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notifications. See you soon in the next video. Peace out.